Hello and welcome to this Mario 64 tutorial. This will just be a short Mario 64 tutorial about how to fix old hacks, or well, hacks which were made with the SM64 editor to make them console compatible, like to run them on console. SM64 hacks that were made with ROM manager have a 50% chance of working on console, while the comp hacks have a 100% chance since it's the source code. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this is a ROM made with SM64 editor, and this tool is only for SM64 editor ROMs. So basically, to find it out, you basically just open the ROM in the ROM manager, which will hopefully go fast. There we go. Then you basically just check whatever ROM you downloaded, and if there comes this error that it got used by the SM64 editor, which is for me in German because my PC is set to German. Yeah, basically that's what you're gonna do. So basically, I have now used the AA64.C64, which we use for testing. So basically, first we have to do this the package, and this will include everything besides the ROM. Basically, what you will do is you will have to go to XRV32, and you have to go to the exe, which by the way all tools will be linked in the description, like the script too. And basically, this is the script that we're gonna use, because Plunger64 has a pipe, Plunger64 has a problem with the pipes, which basically is unpatchable. So I need to patch it myself. So basically I'm gonna go to my tools, then to my SM64 fixing folder, to my ROMs folder, then to my A64 folder. Of course you can put them wherever you like, but I would recommend them to have them all in one place, and all you do is execute it. If you've done it, then that's great. These messages will pop up. You click X, you press no, there you press save. You've done it correctly, you've done the first step, which is fixing the pipe issue. Or the warping issue, let's say it like that. Basically, now we're gonna go to this folder, and this will be the stuff that we're gonna do. Basically, already is, everything is set up already, so basically just use your ROM, which is in my case this one. Wait, this is in my ROMs folder, good. And now you're gonna go to the ASM file and use the ASM file, make no changes.asm. Now click example. Now this window should pop up, and of course you can use A, B, C, but I will recommend D for the best options. So basically remove the fog. I suggest removing the fogs because that's mostly the main thing that will basically destroy it. If you this window should pop up, and basically you take those two, rebuild sorted by vertices and rebuild vertices. Then you're gonna load the ROM, which is this one. Go to, wait, where is it? Okay, so then ROM was patched successfully. Now you're gonna close it. And do you want to use low poly Mario? I suggest using low poly Mario, though it of course depends what you want to do. For the drawing distance, I would definitely recommend setting it to 57%, aka 5 FFD, and press enter. Would you like? I would suggest no, because of the issues, which are the slides and Cooper races, and I don't want my game to crash, so I just basically do not use it. Would you like the altimeter to be always on screen? No. Overload the keto can? Yes, and as well as the star root can. I don't want to skip the title screen, and I don't want to skip the Mario head. Do you want to remove fish? Like I said, hasn't been tested extensively. I would say yes, though if you basically doesn't work, just repatch the ROM. So bonus options, I would recommend no, because frame skipping is basically winning in a lottery. It has a 99% chance of crashing. Basically, when you've done it, now there's another option. Which is, well, basically if you want to use anti-aliasing, this will basically make some textures look markedly, but the game will run better, around 5%. And yeah, basically anti-aliasing saves around 3 till 5 frames. And hey, if you can have 3 frames more, 3 frames more, why not use them? So yeah, basically you've done everything, and now all we're gonna do is to go to our ROMs folder. And yeah, this is the editor folder. Now we're gonna go to custom BGs. I meant your folder where you have your ROMs. And yeah, aa64.array.c64. Select and start. And let's see if it runs. Okay, so it runs, which is great. So far, no crashing. That's great. And hey, everything seems to definitely run well. It's interesting. I actually wouldn't have suspected it. Yeah, there we see some. Yeah. But hey, it runs at a kind of good frame rate, I guess. L1. Big bump on the summit. Well, that's nice. It actually runs quite good, even though there is some slight issues. But it definitely runs great. Though not 100%. Definitely. I don't know. I don't really mind it, honestly. Plus, there are some people which are probably gonna be like, oh my god, why is it so unplayable? Though for me, it's actually really fine. Like, I don't have any issues with it. Okay, never mind. Let's just click this stuff. And with that said, yeah, this was a tutorial on how to fix Retro-Hax on console. And with that said, I see you in the next video. Bye.